Hey there, welcome back to Parker's Pursuit. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every successful man out there: high-protein breakfasts. We all know that a protein-packed morning meal can supercharge your day with energy and keep you full held until lunch. I'm your name, and in this video, I'll be sharing 6 delicious breakfast options that are not only tasty, but also loaded with at least 20 grams of protein. Number 1. Protein-packed smoothie. First up, the protein-packed smoothie. Blend up your favorite fruits, a scoop of protein powder, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk. This quick and nutritious option delivers over 20 grams of protein and comes in at around 300 calories, giving you the perfect jump start to your day. Number 2. Scrambled eggs with veggies. Eggs are a breakfast classic for a reason. Scramble up some eggs and toss in a handful of your favorite veggies: bell peppers, spinach, mushrooms, you name it. This protein-packed option offers around 25 grams of protein and is approximately 350 calories, fueling your body and mind. Number 3. Greek yogurt parfait. Looking for a creamy delight? Opt for Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, mixed berries, and a drizzle of honey. With over 20 grams of protein, this parfait is not only delicious, but also a great way to keep you satisfied. It comes in at around 350 calories, providing a balanced start to your day. Number 4. High-protein breakfast burrito. Take your breakfast to the next level with a high-protein breakfast burrito. Fill a whole-grain tortilla with scrambled eggs, lean turkey or chicken sausage, and some veggies. This savory option provides over 30 grams of protein and is approximately 400 calories, powering you through your morning. Number 5. Cottage cheese power bowl. Cottage cheese isn't just for snacks, it makes an awesome high-protein breakfast too. Top it with nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey for a balance of flavors. This bowl offers around 25 grams of protein and comes in at about 300 calories, kickstarting your day. Number 6. Nut butter protein toast. Last but not least, a nut butter protein toast. Spread your favorite nut butter on whole grain bread, and you've got a satisfying breakfast that provides over 20 grams of protein. It's simple, quick, and oh so tasty. This option is around 350 calories, making it a delicious choice to power your morning. Conclusion. And there you have it, 6 high-protein breakfast options that are perfect for a successful man's morning routine. Remember, starting your day with a protein-rich meal sets the tone for a day filled with energy and focus. Whichever option you choose, you'll be nourishing your body and setting yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content on personal development and leading a fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. And here's to starting your day on the right foot with protein power. Until next time, stay motivated and stay successful.